guys, welcome back to my channel that is Aishwarya Lifestyle.
আমার এই ব্লগটা যা হবে আই নো
And we just got up. It's a lazy morning. So basically, when यहाँ पे snow होता है और आपको कुछ भी देखने से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, you can see it's all white outside, but it's kind of more of cozy. It's more of good food, and I like to be in house and celebrating and having good food with my family. So today vlog is a bit special because my sister-in-law and her husband Joy is over here for the Thanksgiving. So basically this is a Thanksgiving week for US, not in Canada. So they live in US, so they are visiting us for this Thanksgiving, and so they are here and we are making a Thanksgiving dinner tonight. So already the preparation has been started. Thought of making the dinner and then we'll go out, have some fun outside, and then we'll again come back and then finish our dinner. As you can see, it's snowing. Oh my god. Calgary weather is so unpredictable. So it's minus 18 outside and we are making delicious Thanksgiving dinner inside. So this vlog will be all about this, and I will be showing how we all are celebrating our Thanksgiving day. And really beautiful. You can see it's snowing. It started snowing. So we had a plan today of going out in the morning, but we had to cancel because it's all foggy. So we can't drive properly. So we thought of doing our Thanksgiving dinner today. Excited for this because we first time celebrating my Thanksgiving. So I'm very much excited. Minus 18 outside, right, guys? It's crazy cold here. Now I'll show you what's in the progress. Already they have started making it. Basically, Ria and Joy are preparing the whole meal, well known with the meals and the stuff, and they are doing all the things and we are helping her out. So let's go inside. Let's see कितना दूर हुआ है और क्या क्या होना बाकी है, and I'll show you and I'll take you throughout the day what all we are doing and how we are celebrating our Thanksgiving. Stay tuned and keep watching my video. So you can see already the preparations are on and she's doing all of these.
This is meatloaf with vegan meat.
This is Joy. Hi.
This
It's the girl behind it. She's going outside.
Our story of Thanksgiving is that our brother and his
beautiful wife.
beautiful wife came here for first time.
Is your brother not beautiful?
No.
Is he ugly?
Good one.
It's a bit ugly, I can say that.
Is he beautiful from the soul?
If you compare with me, I'm the better one.
It's like a classic Thanksgiving meal, mac and cheese.
Okay.
More the cheese, the better. The cheese is mixing. More cheese, the better. We'll add more after when we put it for bake. I transferred the mac and cheese from the pot now to a baking tray, and I'm adding more cheese on the top. So it'll come out from the oven golden brown. Now it's gonna go into the oven to bake for 30 minutes. Into the oven. It goes for 30 minutes.
What are you doing?
I'm making meatloaf.
Meatloaf. What all are you preparing? What all are the dishes?
Mac and cheese,
All right.
which is a classic Thanksgiving dish.
Mm-hmm.
Meatloaf,
Mm-hmm.
vegan meatloaf,
Mm-hmm.
and we have some samgyeon.
Fun.
So we are trying to make Thanksgiving dinner here. But because Thanksgiving has a painful history, historically it was celebrated by white settler colonials who came to North America and conquered the Native Americans. And to this day, Native Americans in some parts of America, like in New England, still protest this day. So we are making a Thanksgiving meal, but we're not doing it in the traditional sense. So we're changing the whole idea and we're trying to celebrate this in our own way. So that's why we're making a classic mac and cheese, which is a Thanksgiving dish. But we don't have turkey, which is also a classic Thanksgiving dish. But instead we have something like a meatloaf. So we're doing it our way. It's not. So we don't carry the baggage, the painful historical baggage of Thanksgiving.
All right.
So this is more like a family giving, a family get together, which is
Celebration.
happening at the same time
All right. Yeah.
as fall.
What is Riya doing? I'm just trying to eat good food, guys. And she's also finished mac and cheese, and now she's heading to her next dish, I guess.
And I'm going to fry some onions in butter, and then
Mhm.
and then I'm going to top it off, and then bake it for about an hour.
All right. And then it's ready.
And then it'll look like loaf, like bread loaf, but with meat.
Okay.
If you guys are hungry, that's not.
আমি একটা মিট লোফ বানাচ্ছি, so it takes the shape of a bread, right? So ওই শেপটাই আমি এখন দিচ্ছি, like a loaf.
Okay.
This is the vegan meat. This is the actual meat, right? Love it.
In the oven it goes.
It's the meatloaf cooking right there, but we need a sauce for this, and the sauce is going to go on top of the meatloaf. We're going to spread it around nicely. So what we have here is some ketchup. That went there, okay. And now we are going to put some Worcestershire sauce. This is the key ingredient in the meatloaf topping. Some of that there to give it some black flavor. Sugar. Brown sugar? Do you have brown sugar?
I have no doubt.
White sugar.
Yeah, white.
Okay, let's put some white sugar. A little bit of sugar on the top. Honey. And that should be it. And we're going to mix it nicely till it gets this dark red kind of color.
No, you didn't make.
Coriander is the key recipe in this recipe.
Acha, yeah.
Yeah.
Key
She
ingredient.
also worked on chopping onions. Now
I've been given this duty.
noon.
That's alright. That jugaad. Making mutton biryani. So we have started the mutton process. Now we are also frying some potato in this end because we are Bengalis and we love big potato in our biryani.
And there's some egg for
Egg for my brother
people.
because he's vegan. Not vegan, but you know what I mean.
branches to US or Canada তে থাকবে
If it's bad, it's on him. You can blame on the layering.
জয় ওটা ঠিক করুক
Hi, hi.
ভাই 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 দাও ভাই ভাই এবার হাতটা বেশি হয়ে গেছে
Hi, hi. হুকো হ্যাং লাগে
হুকো হুকো হ্যাংলা आई जस्ट केम डाउन मुझे कुछ सामान लेना था बनाने के लिए तो वो ख़त्म हो गया था और हमारे अपार्टमेंट के नीचे शॉप है सो आई जस्ट केम डाउन आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू द वेदर आउट हियर जस्ट सी द trees, the frozen white trees. Isn't this beautiful? Green से पूरा white हो चुका है and it started snowing.
अच्छा लगता है स्नो में, बट बहुत ठंडी भी लगती है. बट अभी उतना ठंड नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स स्नोइंग. स्नो बंद होने के बाद इट विल लाइक यू विल फील द कोल्ड, एक्चुअल कोल्ड. इट्स स्नोइंग गाइस. See.
So you can see the change of the color. It's almost ready, right?
Almost.
Yeah, it's almost ready. And here's some
healthy food because it's a lot of fat.
and this.
Some veggies for the vegetarians, not for me.
For us.
Some veggies for good luck.
Yeah. So finally the food is ready.
सो फाइनली हमारा स्प्रेड रेडी है और मैं आपको अभी डिटेल में बताऊंगी कि यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या है. स्टार्टिंग विथ सांग्रिया, मैश्ड पोटैटोज, cheese platter, mac and cheese, meatloaf, green veggies, pecan pie with ice cream. The additional was mutton biryani along with it, which is not a part of Thanksgiving dinner, but we prepared it for ourselves. So after having the heavy and the delicious lunch, we took some rest and headed out in the evening. And you can see it is so beautiful. Like it's all day it snowed heavily and we just went out for a coffee walk. And you can see the trees, the ground, everything is all covered with ice.
Very pretty. I especially like this trees, white trees. It's making more prettier. Like everything is more prettier.
Wow.
Wow. Really wow. And it's minus 19 guys, but we are having fun. Wow! Wow! No. I don't want. Really? Phone পড়ে গেল। আমার এই ব্লগটা যা হবে, I know. It's hilarious. Anyway, so we are walking now. It's snowing not that much, but थोड़ा हो रहा है. इसको बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. It's looking good. Out for a little walk and we are enjoying. You can see.
Let me see myself.
See?
Oh wow.
Oh my god. देखिए আমি পড়বো. It's good. Hi.
Sure, you can cut her. I don't mind.
Hi, I don't
Sorry,
have
you want
to my cutie pie. I don't have
Our bus is waiting here.
So that is what I was telling
So it was really a long day and a very good day, and after so very long time we all four have enjoyed a lot. We had so much fun, crazy moments and hilarious moments too, and which will add the brownie points to this day.
So we just had our coffee and now we are heading back. It's cold. It's getting cold outside. So we are moving back
So with this, I'm ending my video over here itself. I hope you all have liked this video. If you guys have liked the video, then do like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you again with some new topic and new vlog. Till then, be happy, be safe. So enjoy yourself. I'll see you in my next vlog.